Good morning everyone. Myself Ms. Surbhi Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group. I hope you all are staying good, fit and healthy. Please take precautions. So today we are going to start with GK class 4 with the next chapter, that is chapter 8, sobriquet. Now what is sobriquet? A sobriquet is another name given to someone or something. Okay, like Japan has been given the name of the land of rising sun. China has been given the name of the gate of heavenly peace. Okay, so what does sobriquet mean? The name given to someone or something, other name. Here are the nicknames of some countries. Identify the countries from their flags and write their names with the help of the help box. Help box has been given to you downwards. Now first, the land of thunderbolt. Flag is of which country? Bhutan. Now why Bhutan has been given the name of the land of thunderbolt? Because of the thunderstorm that passes down the Himalayan valleys. Okay. Second, Japan. Japan has been given the name of the land of rising sun. Why Japan has been given the name of the land of rising sun? Because this country is very near to the point where the sun rises. Third, the gate of heavenly peace, that is China. China has been given the name of the gate of heavenly peace. The next one is the land of morning calm. This name has been given to South Korea. You can see the flag. This flag belongs to South Korea. Now why South Korea has been given the name of the land of morning calm? Because of its splendid beautifulness. Okay, splendid peacefulness, its natural beauty, because of its clear water, mountains. Okay. Fifth, the roof of the world, Tibet. Why Tibet has been given the name of the roof of the world? Because it is situated at a very huge flat area which is surrounded by huge mountains. Sixth one, the land of thousand lakes, Finland. Why Finland has been given the name of the land of thousand lakes? Because around 1,88,000 lakes are there in Finland. That means one lake for 26 people. Seventh one, the sick man of Europe, that is Turkey. Now why Turkey has been given the name of the sick man of Europe? Because this title has been given at the time when the European countries was experiencing financial crisis. Eighth one, the city of seven hills. It is said like traditionally or by ancient people that the Rome is situated, there on 7 hills, is made on 7 hills. That's why they have given it the name, the city of 7 hills, to Rome. Ninth one, the land of golden fleece, that is Australia. Why Australia has been given the name of the land of golden fleece? Because of its large wool production. Okay. 10th one, the land of maple leaf. Maple leaf, you all know, that belongs to Canada. Next is chapter 15, that is musical groups. You all love music. So in this chapter we are going to read about different musical groups. A musical group is a group of people who perform instrumental and or vocal music with a group of musicians, typically known by a distinct name. Music is a blessing for a mankind. Why music is a blessing? Because not everyone is having this music talent. Music can create wonders for human. Let us read. Given below are the pictures of some musical groups. Identify and name these groups accordingly. Take help from the help box. First is military band. This band is played on different occasions in the army. Second one is orchestra. In this orchestra, different instruments are used from different family, that is piano and tabla, okay, guitar, such kind of different instruments has been used in orchestra. Third is rock band. Rock band, let me tell you the first rock band and very famous rock band, okay, that is the Beatles. Rock band, you all know what is rock band. Next is fourth one, choir. Basically this is used in the church, okay, like when the prayer is going on or on Christmas, okay, on such occasions this is used, this is played. Fifth one is school band. school band. Generally like government schools like Kendriya Vidyalaya and all, in such schools they are having school band. They play this band on like Independence Day, Republic Day, or any functions if they are having parade. Sixth one is concert, live concert. You all have heard about live concert. Okay, so this picture belongs to concert band. So this, I hope you all understood the chapter well. Thank you.